Tired of squinting at faint lines in your spreadsheets? Let's make those grid lines pop for crystal clear data. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful way to boost your spreadsheet's visual appeal and readability by thickening those grid lines in Microsoft Excel. This is perfect for improving data analysis and giving your worksheets a more polished look. First, let's head up to the File tab in the top left corner of your Excel window. From there, click on Options to open the Excel Options dialog box. In the Excel Options window, you'll want to select Advanced from the list on the left. Now, scroll down the Advanced Options until you find the section titled Display Options for this worksheet. Here, you'll see an option called Show Grid Lines. Make sure this is checked, which it usually is by default. Next to Show Grid Lines, you'll find a drop-down menu for Gridline color. Click this to access the color palette. While you can change the color here to suit your preference, we're specifically interested in thickness. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct slider for thickness within this color menu, but there's a clever workaround. Keep scrolling down in the advanced options until you reach the Gridline style section. You won't see a point for thickness directly, but we achieve it through a combination of border settings applied to the selected cells. To make your grid lines thicker, you need to apply a border to the cells themselves. Select the range of cells where you want thicker grid lines. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Within the font group, find the Borders drop-down menu. It looks like little squares. Click on the arrow next to it. From this menu, select More Borders at the bottom. This will open the Format Cells dialog box, with the Borders tab already selected. Over on the right, under the Style section, you'll see various line styles. Choose one of the thicker solid lines. You can also choose your desired color for these thicker borders here. To apply this to all existing grid lines within your selection, click the Inside button in the preview area. This applies the chosen thicker border to all internal horizontal and vertical lines. And if you want the outer edges of your selection to be thicker as well, click the Outside button. Finally, click OK. And there you have it. Your grid lines are now significantly thicker, making your data much easier to see and analyze. Remember, you can apply this to specific sections or your entire worksheet. Experiment with different line styles and colors to find what works best for you. You've successfully upgraded your spreadsheet's clarity and visual appeal.